Here is how to open a network stream on VLC Media Player. So first, open VLC Media Player. Go ahead, type in VLC Media Player in the search bar and run it. So to open a network stream, which is a stream from the internet, go to the top menu and click on the media option in the top left corner. A list of options will appear. Select Open Network Stream option. You can also press Ctrl+N. A window will pop up. Enter the network URL of the stream you want to watch and copy the URL from its source, and then right-click on it and paste it in this window. If you want to adjust settings, click on Show More Options and check this box. And once you've entered the URL, click on Play to start the stream. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.